All right. Where are we?
We're at Disneyland Hotel.
Disneyland Hotel.
On site.
On site. All right, hours 2741. We'll go in here and take a look. First thing we notice is the carpet. It's fireworks.
Hidden Mickeys.
Tons of hidden Mickeys.
Yep. And then in the bathroom, we have this lovely sink with some hidden Mickeys on it. Mickey hand with some hidden Mickeys.
All right.
And then for our
Kind of complimentary body lotions and stuff. And like they're all like sea flavored kind of, which is really cool. And it's got a little card that's got Walt Disney on it that says "Neat and Ready."
And it's from Tina.
And on the back it says, oh yeah, Tina, have a magical day. I'll make sure your room is nice and clean. If there's anything else I can do to make your visit more enjoyable, simply touch housekeeping on your phone. Your hostess host, Tina.
Nice.
Nice.
Really nice of her to do that. We have a ton of towels and stuff under the sink and a hairdryer over there.
And some extra toilet paper and some tissues.
Nice.
And then in the bathroom,
All right.
we have the toilet. So if someone's taking a shower, you can come in here, use the bathroom. We got a nice little picture of Jungle Cruise.
And here we have the shower. It's got like a little, and it's got another Mickey on that thing.
And then up there, got another hidden Mickey.
That's in the tile.
I really wish the shower head was a Mickey though. That would have been cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And more towels. And a full-length mirror.
Nice fully.
And a little pamphlet on to being conservative, conserve water, conserve electricity, reduce waste, and learn more.
All right. Over here, there's a nice little desk area. It's got several plugs. We should be able to charge everything up. And they have the in-room dining.
Which includes a burger.
Includes probably.
You know what I mean.
Includes dinner, kids' dinner, our sweets ending, refreshments, entrees, pizzas, and starters.
Alcoholic beverages for the adults.
All right. And then we've got these, which were nice, which is some sweets and some waters and my favorite, coffee. So that'll be good. And then
Some more hidden Mickeys.
hidden Mickeys. And then there's a very large couch that Mama sprawled out on and have all of our stuff.
Now here's the best part of the entire room, in my opinion.
The best part.
So we have this nice lamp. That's not what I want to talk to you about.
Oh.
And it plays some little music.
It plays music and all the other lights turn on.
Oh, and they're twinkling.
Yeah.
All right. Well.
But another great part of the room.
A dream.
Oh yeah,
A dream is a wish your heart makes
when you're fast asleep.
when you're fast asleep.
Now, one of our coolest
Like the most
parts.
dramatic part.
Get both of them. Oh, you missed one.
Oh, please.
What do you mean? No, we didn't.
You know what's funny is I have been watching a ton of videos. I never knew there was mountains in the background. So that's pretty cool.
Right here we got downtown Disney, and it looks like they're building something. And then there's the parks.
Looks like that's Galaxy's Edge.
Oh, look.
And then birds.
And then over there is.
You got any rides?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
There
that's.
is the Guardians of the Galaxy ride over there.
Yep, there's
Space
a Ferris
Space
wheel.
Mountain is straight there, and so is there's looks like
rides.
looks like the Matterhorn, and I think that may be Splash Mountain right there.
You can
So
do some shopping downtown Disney.
Yep.
And then also the Ferris wheel and I don't know what that red ride is.
it's the Incredicoaster. So.
Oh, I'm excited to ride all those really
All right. Also, the beds are extremely high, so I think that is so that you can store your luggage underneath there,
Yep.
which would be nice.
Also, we have this closet that is really nice. And it gives you robes.
Some plastic robes.
Flattening iron
Flattening.
and extra pillow / blanket. And
Stuff for
there
dry cleaning.
is a safe. What's this?
It's for dry cleaning. If you want to have something dry cleaned, you leave it hanging on the door.
Gotcha.
So, very spacious, very nice room. We're not going to be in here very much, but I think I like that the bathrooms
There's
are
an
spread
iron
out.
board back here
Oh,
for the
yeah.
iron.
And then
And
a
then-
suitcase thing.
There's
Okay.
suitcases, but we won't need that because
All right, somebody, Tate, you want to show me the refrigerator?
Oh, yes. Behold. The fridge.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Hidden fridge.
Not,
It's not very secure. We learned that the hard way.
yeah.
So a lot
Is it
of
cold?
I mean,
I don't think it's been plugged in long.
Okay.
Very unstable.
oh, one more thing. There's hidden Mickeys on the bed.
And Mickey.
Oh yeah.
And if you want to read while someone next to you,
When you're fast asleep.
you just.
Oh, nice. Y'all go stand by the thing. We'll,
Find me.
yeah, get a good. Let's see.